Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish origami easy guide. Begin by folding a square sheet diagonally to create a strong central crease and then unfold it. Next, fold opposite corners to meet in the center, aligning edges carefully and pressing firmly. Continue with valley and mountain folds as directed, keeping your movements slow and deliberate to maintain neat edges and crisp fins for a tidy paper fish result. To shape the fish body, start with the kite base and collapse folds toward the center to form a slim torso. Pinch and lock the layers gently so the model stays together while you work on the tail. Rotate the paper between steps to check alignment from different angles and correct any skewed folds early. Small, precise adjustments now make the final fish look balanced and professional once you add eyes and fins. For tail and fins, fold the rear section into a fan or double pleat to simulate movement and texture. Shape the side fins with small triangle folds and secure their bases with neat reverse folds tucked inside the body. If you want a curved look, gently round the tail edges with your fingers after folding. Finish by flattening all creases and slightly bending fin tips for a lifelike, playful paper fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.